धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज संवारे। लाय सजीवन लखन जियाए, श्री रघुबीर हरषि उर लाए। रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरतई सम भाई। सहस बदन तुम रोजस गावे, अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित अहिसा। जम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाते, कवि कोविद कहि सकै कहाते। तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा, राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा। तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर है सब जग जाना। जुग सहस्र जो जन पर भानु, लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानू। प्रभु मुद्रिका मेलि मुख माहि, जलधि लांघि गए अचरज नाही। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हरे तेते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे। सब सुख लहै तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज सम्हारो आपै, तीनों लोक हाँकते कांपै। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासै रोग हरै सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा है, प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नौ निधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुबरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चित्तन धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई। जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूट ही बंदी महासुख होई। जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, कीजय नाथ हृदय महडेरा। पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुर भूप। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय। श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज, निज मनु मुकुरु सुधारी। बरनउ रघुबर विमल जसु, जो दायक फलचारी। बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके, सुमिरौ पवन कुमार। बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि, हरहु कलेस विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीसति लोक उजागर। रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी, कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी। कंचन बरन विराज सुबेसा, कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा। हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे, कांधे मूज जनेऊ साजे। शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, राम काज करिबे को आतुर। प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा। भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज संवारे लाय सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुबीर हरषि उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरतई सम भाई सहस बदन तुम रोजस गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिसा जम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाते कवि कोविद कहि सकै कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर है सब जग जाना जुग सहस्र जो जन पर भानु लील्योताहि मधुर फल जानू प्रभु मुद्रिका मेलि मुख माही जलधि लांघि गए अचरज नाही दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे सब सुख लहै तुम्हारी सरना तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना आपन तेज संहारो आपे तीनों लोक हांकते कांपे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे नासै रोग हरै सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे चारों जुग पर ताप तुम्हारा है पर सिद्ध जगत उजियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे अष्ट सिद्धि नौ निधि के दाता असवर दीन जानकी माता राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे अंत काल रघुबर पुर जाई जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई और देवता चित्तन धरई हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई छूट ही बंदी महासुख होई जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा की जय नाथ हृदय महडेरा पवन तनय संकट हरन मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसहु सुर भूप सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय।
जय श्री कृष्णा सभी को। प्रार्थना से शुरुआत करेंगे। विल स्टार्ट विथ द प्रेयर। ओके। वसुदेव सुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णौ वन्दे जगद्गुरुं जय श्री कृष्णा टू ऑल ऑफ यू। जय श्री कृष्णा दीदी। We all welcome you for this Gita Gunjan exam, Gita Gunjan practice session, where you have to you will be learning chapter 12, and then you are going to make the video and you are going to send it, so that then you will get the Gita Gunjan certificate, right? We are very happy that you have completed. You are about to complete chapter 12 now, and after completion of chapter 12 you will be making the video of chapter 12. Of course, you are going to look into the PDF and you can read, but then for that reading also the fluency has to be maintained, right? So for that, this revision class has been arranged for you all, right? So please take the advantage of this class. Okay, chalo, let's start. Yes, Didi.
Didi, prayer.
Prayer le li, Didi. I've taken the prayer. Yes. Okay, chalo. Let's start. Please concentrate. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. While reciting this particular line, Shri is to be prolonged and Para with a complete pronunciation. So, Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Now, most of the times here it is recited as Srimad Bhagavat. Okay, but it is not the, it is the. And Ga is also with a complete pronunciation, right? So it is Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Gita, both the letters with a long pronunciation. Then, while reciting this particular next line, अथ द्वादशोऽध्यायः अथ द्वादशो on th you can see those red marks, right? So that mark is that shows that there is aghat. We just have to give a little stress on that particular letter. When that stress is to be given, when the following letter is a joint letter, right? So dwa is a joint letter, isn't it? So th will have aghat for partial the, right? So in dua, the is half and wa is complete, right? So whichever letter is with a half pronunciation, that aghat will come on the previous letter, right? So it is athadvadashodhyayaha. Okay, chalo, let's see the first sloka. Arjuna Uvacha. While reciting this, most of the times it is recited as Arjun Uvach or Arjun Uvacha. Okay, but it is not Arjun. It is Na is the Na we have to pronounce with a complete pronunciation. So it is Arjuna, Arjuna Uvacha, Uvacha. Okay, so Na and Cha, these two letters we have to take with a complete pronunciation. Okay, let's see the first shloka. एवं सततयुक्ता ये भक्तास्त्वां पर्युपासते ये चाप्यक्षरमव्यक्तं तेषां के योगवित्तमाः. You have already learned these shlokas, but this is a revision for you all. And so if you have a PDF with you and then take one pencil and mark where you have to prolong the letter, where you have to give aghat. Of course, the signs are there for aghat, especially the long pronounced letters. Many a times we make mistakes, right? So please mark over there, right? Evam, a this letter wherever in the entire Bhagavad Gita comes, this letter we have to prolong, right? So evam, evam, satata. Satata, complete pronunciation. It is not satat. It is satata yukta ye. Evam satata yukta ye. Bhaktastvām. See over here, bha has got aghat, right? That red sign is seen on letter bha. That means the following letter is a joint letter. And in that, partial ka is there. So aghat is always for the half pronounced letter. So aghat is for ka. Bhak, bhakta, isn't it? So bhaktastvām, bhakta, ta, a sound. So we have to prolong, right? Bhaktastvām paryupasate. Paryu, paryu. See, you has got rafar. So partial ra sound will come with pa. So it is paryupasate. Ye chapyakshara. Now see cha, a sound, right? So we have to prolong. Ye, a sound, we have to prolong. So while reciting the shloka, only one thing we have to keep in mind, that there are only four letters, four vowels which are with a short pronunciation, right? So those are a, e, u, and r. Remaining all are with a long pronunciation. So which are those then? A, e, u, ru, then a, I, o, au. Okay, all these are long pronounced, right? So a, so cha is a, ye, a, right? So all these letters we have to prolong. Okay, chalo. So ye cha pyakshara. kshara, ksha is kshatriya aksha over here, ra with a complete pronunciation. So, ye chapyaksharamavvyaktan tesham ke yogavittamaha tesham te long, sha long. This sha is called murdhanya sha. That is shatkon wala sha. So we have to roll our tongue and touch to the hard portion of our palate. So sha, sha. Okay. Tesham ke yoga vittamaha. Vittamaha. V is followed by two ths, right? One is half, one is complete. So both the ths should be heard clearly. Okay. Yoga vittamaha. Ma long. And the visarga sound is ha. So whatever the pronunciation of the last letter is before the visarga will have that pronunciation with her. So ma, so the visarga sound will be ha. But then ma we have to prolong and ha we have to take quickly. So it will be tesham ke yoga vittamaha maha. Okay, chal. Let's go to the next flow. Bhagavanuvach. Shri, we have to prolong always. Then Bhagavanuvach. Bhagavanuvach. Over here, if you say Bhagavan Uvacha, that will be wrong. Grammatically, it will be wrong, right? So, whatever is given, only that we have to recite, right? Because Gita Parivar has made this PDF, these shlokas simpler for us, right? So whatever is given is in the simplest form, right? So let's follow the same. Okay. Shri Bhagavanuvach. Okay. Maya Veshya Mano Ye Man Nitya Yukta Upasate Shraddhaya Parayopetas Te Me Tatamamataha. Maya, ma is followed by two similar consonants, right? So ma will have natural aghat. Maya, Maya. So 2 years should be heard clearly. Okay. Maya Veshya. Sh half year complete. Okay. Maya Veshya Mano Ye Man. Ma long. And then no half. Okay. Man. It should not be man. It should be man. Ma sound so long. Okay. Maya Veshyamano ye man. Nitya yukta upasate. Shraddhaya. Shraddhaya. Three different letters, right? Shraddhaya parayopetas. Per, complete pronunciation. It is not par. It is parayopetas. Ta we have to prolong and then the visarga sound partial sa. Parayopetas. Te me yuktatama mataha. Te me yuktatama mataha. ठीक है चल थर्ड श्लोक लेंगे ये त्वक्षरमनिर्देश्यम् अव्यक्तं पर्युपासते सर्वत्र गमचिन्त्यं च कूटस्थमचलं ध्रुवम्. Over here, ye. Most of the times here it is recited as a, but there is difference. A is a vowel, whereas ye, ye is ye with a, right? So ye it is. Okay. Ye twakshara, ye twaksharam, ram. It is not twaksharam. If you say twaksharam, ma will be halanta, and that will be wrong pronunciation because here ma is with complete pronunciation, right? So ये त्वक्षरम ये त्वक्षरम निर्देश्यम निर्देश्यम. This ma is halantama. See, wherever the slanting line is given at the bottom of the letter, that letter becomes halanta. That means half pronounced. Okay. Ye Aksharamanirdesyam Avyaktam. Avyaktam. See the sign, Aghat sign. So both these letters, A and Vya, should be traced. Okay. Avyaktam paryupasate. Sarvatra gama. It is not gum. It is gama. Okay. Sarvatra gama chintyancha. See, chi is followed by three consonants, right? So half na is there, half ta is there, and complete ya is there. So half na we will take with chi, and half ta we will take with ya. So chin, tyang, and tia has got anuswar on it. That is dot that is given on tia. That is called anuswar, and the sound of that anuswar is anunasik that is given in the bracket. So that is ya, because following letter is ch. So ch, ch, j, j, ya. So ya is the pronunciation of that letter. Okay. So how will we say? Sarvatra gama chintyan cha. Sarvatra gama chintyan cha. Kutastha, see ku, long, long u vowel sound, right? So it is kutastha machalan dhruvam. कूटस्थमचलं ध्रुवम. ध्रुवम. ठीक है, चल नेक्स्ट लो. तन्नियम्येन्द्रियग्रामं सर्वत्र समबुद्धयः ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव सर्वभूतहिते रताः. Sunni. Now see, sir is followed by two nas, right? One is half na, one is complete na. So that half na will go with sir. So it is sun. Then what remains there is ni. So sunni, sunni. Okay. So both the letters should be heard clearly, right? Sunni yam miye, yam miye, right? Aghat on ear for partial ma, and then ma half year complete with a vowel sound. So me, right? We have to prolong it, right? Sanniyam miendriyagramam. Miendriyag, miendriyag. Okay, ya is followed by gr, right? Half g and complete r. So you have to give stress on ya for partial g. Yag, and then gramam. Yag gramam. Okay. Sanniyamyendriyagramam sarvatra. This word is very much familiar to us. Sarvatra samabuddhayaha. Sama, complete pronunciation. Aghat on bu for partial the. Buddhayaha. Buddhayaha. Okay. Sarvatra samabuddhayaha. Now, when it is a vowel sound with the visarga, then we can recite it as yaha also. Samabuddhayaha or samabuddhayaha. Okay, both the pronunciations are correct. Okay. Te prapnuvanti. Te we have to prolong. Then pra also we have to prolong. And pra is followed by half pa and complete na with short u vowel sound. Okay, so it is pnu, pnu, half pa and complete na, pnu. Okay, so te prapnu, te prapnuvanti mameva, te prapnuvanti mameva सर्वभूतहिते रताः. Sarvabhuta. Now see bhu, this particular letter in entire Bhagavad Gita, wherever this word comes, bhuta, everywhere bhu we have to recite with long pronunciation. Okay, it is with long u vowel sound. So it has to be prolonged. So Sarvabhuta hite rataha. Rataha. Ta we have to prolong, and then the visarga sound ha. So sarvabhutahite rataha te prapnuvanti mameva सर्वभूतहिते रताः. ठीक है, चल नेक्स्ट श्लोक. क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्तासक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम् देहवद्भिर्वाप्यते. Klesho, these both the letters we have to prolong, right? Now next 3 letters. Okay, so most of the times it is recited as dhiktar, but when we say dhiktar, ka becomes half, whereas ka is complete with the complete pronunciation. So how will we say? Dhikataras, dhikataras. Okay, it is not dhiktar, it is dhika, dhika. Okay, क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् sh murdanya sh, try to recite murdanya sh. Okay, stesham, both the letters we have to prolong. Te sha we have to prolong. Just mark over there wherever the prolong, we have to prolong the letters, just marks over there. Okay, klesho, both the letters with the long pronunciation, and then ste and sha also with the long pronunciation. So क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्ता, both the letters should be stressed. अव्यक्ता सक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता सक्तचेतसाम् ta che sa, these letters we have to prolong. Okay, next is avyakta, avyakta hi gatir dukkhan. If you observe that he letter he carefully, her is with short e vowel sound, so we have to take it quickly. Now if we take a pause over there, we may tend to prolong that he, and then the pronunciation will be wrong. Okay, so what we have to do in this case, immediately we have to connect next letter with it. So it is higatir, higatir dukkhan. Okay, so avyakta higatir dukkhan. Ta we can prolong, but then higatir should come together. Okay, avyakta higatir dukkhan, dukkhan. The anunasik is partial na, which is given in the bracket, and the anuswar on kha. So dukkhan, dukkhan. How do we say normally dukkha, this word? The same way we have to recite over here. Okay, dukkhan dehabadbhiravapyate. Just concentrate on each and every letter and we have to recite, so you will never go wrong. Okay, dehabadbhiravapyate. De va te, these 3 letters we have to prolong. So dehavadbhira vadbhira vapyate. That ra is with complete pronunciation. It is not vadbhir, it is vadbhira. Okay, dehavadbhira vapyate. ठीक है, चलो next look we'll see. ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः अनन्येनैव योगेन मां ध्यायन्त उपासते. ये तु सर्वाणि कर्माणि, ये tu, ye we have to prolong, tu we have to take quickly, so connect it with sa. Ye tu sarvani, va we have to prolong, ni we have to take quickly, so va, mark something. Ye, long pronunciation, va, long pronunciation, ma, long pronunciation. Okay, ye tu sarvani karmani, ye tu sarvani karmani mayi. Most of the times here e is recited mai, but that will be wrong. It is ya with e, so it is mayi sanyasya, sanyasya matparaha, mayi sanyasya matparaha Ananye naiva yogena. Ananye. That nye, na half year complete with a vowel sound. Nye should be heard clearly. Okay. Ananye naiva yogena. Na has got two matras on it, right? So two matras make sound as I. So that nai should be heard clearly and it should be a long pronounced letter. Okay. So it is naiva. Ananye naiva yogena man dhyayanta upasate. Man nahi, man dhyayanta upasate. Man dhyayanta upasate. Between ta and u, there should not be any gap. So, dhyayanta upasate. Okay. Man dhyayanta upasate. Immediately we have to connect the with u. Okay. Chalo. Next look, please. तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता मृत्युसंसारसागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशितचेतसाम् तेषामहं तेषा we have to prolong तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता long pronunciation समुद्धर्ता give aghat on mo समुद्धर्ता next charan मृत्यु संसार मृत्यु संसार don't pronounce it as sansar. That will be a wrong pronunciation. Sansara, right? Sansara. Mrityu sansara sagarat. Bhavami nachirat partha. Bhavami, va long, me short. Bhavami nachirat. Nachirat, ra long. The half. Nachirat partha maya veshita chetasam. Maya veshita. Maya veshita. Now over here, ve we have to prolong so that she, the. These two letters we can take with complete pronunciation. Okay. So मय्या वेशित चेतसाम् ठीक है नेक्स्ट लो मय्येव मनाधत्स्व मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय निवसिष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वन्न संशयः मय्येव mana. Ye we have to prolong and va with the complete pronunciation. Ma na again complete pronunciation. It is man. It is mana. Okay. Both the letters we have to pronounce completely. Right. Mayyeva mana. Mayyeva mana adhatsva. Adhatsva. The half. Sa half. Were complete. So half the we have to pronounce first and then swa. Okay. Mayyev mana adhatsva. Adhatsva. Long. Okay. Mayi niveshaya. Mayi buddhin niveshaya. Niveshaya. Way we have to pronounce shaya with complete pronunciation. Okay. Next is Nivasishyasi mayyeva. Sishyasi. See, give aghat on C for partial sh. And then half sh and complete ya we have to pronounce together. Shriya. Shriya. It should not be heard only sh, but sh half and ya complete. Okay? Nivasishyasi. Nivasishyasi mayyeva. निवसिष्यसि मय्येव नेक्स्ट चरण अत ऊर्ध्वन्न संशयः अत ऊर्ध्वन ऊ वी हैव टू प्रोनाउंस ओके अत ऊर्ध्वन na sanshaya. The is for anuswar. So that dhan should be heard clearly. And then next na is complete. So na sanshaya. Here don't pronounce it as sanshaya. It is sanshaya. Okay. Sanshaya. अत ऊर्ध्वन्न संशयः. ठीक है. चल. अथ चित्तं समाधातुं न शक्नोषि मयि स्थिरम् अभ्यासयोगेन ततो मामिच्छाप्तुं धनञ्जय. अथ chittam. Chittam. Chitta word we know, right? So the same word is over here. Chi is for two similar consonants, right? Two ths are. Both the ths should be heard clearly. If you say chittam, then one th we miss, right? So that will not be the correct pronunciation. So half the we are going to take with chi. So chittam. Okay. Ath chittam samadhan. Samadhatun na shaknoshi maya sthiram. Over here, that kno we have to prolong. Okay, na shakno, na shakno shimaya sthiram. No, we have to prolong so that we can connect shri with ma and aghat on yi for partial sa. So shrimayas, shrimayas sthiram. Don't pronounce it as mayi sthiram. Then you miss that aghat. The sign is given on yi, that is for aghat, that is for stress on letter yi. If we say mayi, then that aghat is missed, which will be not correct. Okay. So na shakno shrimayi sthiram abhyas yoge natato bhya yoge to. These four letters are long pronounced. Okay. Abhyas we know how to pronounce, right? अभ्यास योगे न ततो योगे न ततो मामिच्छाप्तुं धनञ्जय मामिच्छाप्तुं छाप्तुं cha we have to pronounce, and towards the end partial pa will be there, right? So chaptun. Okay. Mamichhaptun dhanai jaya. Dhanai jaya. Na has got aghat for iya. Cha cha ja ja ya, the fifth letter of cha varga, right? So that iya should be heard clearly, right? Dhanai jaya. Okay. Chal. अभ्यासेऽप्यसमर्थोऽसि मत्कर्म परमो भव मदर्थमपि कर्माणि कुर्वन् सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि अभ्यासेऽप्यभ्यासे we have to prolong, and then tho also we have to prolong. ठीक है. अभ्यासेऽप्यसमर्थोऽसि प्यसमर्थोऽसि अभ्यासेऽप्यसमर्थोऽसि मत्कर्म परमो भव मत्कर्म. Ma has got aghat for partial ta. Mat karma. Okay. Mat karma paramo bhava. It is not par. It is para. Okay. Paramo bhava. Madarthamapi. Over here, all five letters are with the short pronunciation. So, Madarthamapi. Madarthamapi karmani. Madarthamapi karmani. After P, immediately take next curve, so that there will not be any gap, and we will not prolong that P then. Okay. Madarthamapi karmani. Next charan. Kurvan siddhi mavapsyasi. Break this word into three parts. Kurvan. Make a line over there after partial na. Kurvan. Then siddhi. put a line. Okay. Ma vapsyasi. Ma is complete. So if we take siddhi ma, then you may tend to recite siddhim, which will be wrong. Ma is complete. So kurvan siddhi ma vapsyasi. Okay. So ma should be heard as a complete pronunciation. Okay. Kurvan siddhi ma vapsyasi. Ma vapsyasi. 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 Okay. Kurvan siddhi ma vapsyasi. Va you prolong so that you can recite that joint letters, half per, half sir and year correctly. Okay. Vapsyasi. ठीक है. चलो next लो. अथैतदप्यशक्तोऽसि कर्तुं मद्योगमाश्रितः सर्वकर्मफलत्यागन् ततः कुरु यतात्मवान्. Athait, thai we have to prolong and the complete. Dapya, shaktosi, right? So divide this particular word into three parts. Athait, dapya, shaktosi, right? But then we are, while reciting, we have to take together, right? So for our convenience, we have to make the groups and then remember the pronunciation. Okay. Athait, dapya, shaktosi, right? So now together. Athait, dapya, shaktosi, ठीक है. Kartum, kartum. Tu has got rafar, so that partial will come with ka. So kartum, kartum, madhyogamaśritah, madhyogamaśritah, sarvakarmaphalatyagan. In Sanskrit, whenever we recite this ha, we have to close our lips because the pa varga is oshtha, right? So that is pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, right? So fa comes in that. So if we say fa, that will be English fa. So Sanskrit pha is pha. Okay. Phalatyagan. Phalatyagan. Okay. Sarva karma phalatyagan. Tya we have to prolong. Tyagan. Then tatah kuruyatatmavan. Now when the visarga comes in between, right? Then the pronunciation and the pronunciation is kha, halanta kha. Then we don't have to pronounce that kha. What we have to do, only we have to exhale so that the pronunciation will be heard like kha. Only with prashwas that pronunciation should be heard. So how will we say? Tatah, tatah. Okay? Tatah kuruyatatmavan. Kuru. Both the letters are short vowel sound. So we have to take them quickly. Kuru. Kuru. Then yatatmavan. Ta long, va long. Tatah kuru yatatmavan. ठीक है. चलो नेक्स्ट लो. मद श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासात् ज्ञानाध्यानौ विशिष्यते ध्यानात् कर्मफलत्यागस्त्यागाच्छान्तिरनन्तरम्. Shreyo, both these letters we have to prolong, and then he with short e vowel sound, right? So we have to take it quickly and we have to give aghat on nya, right? Shreyo hidnyana, hidnyana. Give aghat on he for partial the, ga or jya, according to our pronunciation of dnya. If you say dnya, then it will be hidnyana. If we say gya, then it will be higyan, right? And if we say jya, the correct pronunciation according to Sanskrit language, right? It is jya. Jya half, ya complete. So jya, jya. right? Then the aghat will be for partial j, right? So the pronunciation will differ in this particular portion, right? So it is shreyo hidnyana jnanamabhyasaj. It is not jnanam. It is jna. We have to prolong so that na and ma we can recite with complete sound. Okay. So shreyo hidnyanamabhyasaj. ज्ञानमभ्यासाज. ठीक है. ज्ञानाध्यानौ विशिष्यते. Jnanadhyanau dhya. See, look at, observe that particular joint letter carefully. Three letters are joined together, right? Partial the is there, partial the, and ya with a long pronunciation. So, nya, na, dhya. All these three letters we have to prolong. So, jnana, dhyanau, ज्ञानाध्यानौ विशिष्यते. Vishishyate. See, both two different shas have come together. First sha is Shabri wala sha, that is also called as Talavya sha, right? And next sha is Shatkon wala sha. It is also called as Murdhanya sha, right? So both the sound are different. So when we are reciting, both the sh should be heard separately. Okay, try to recite sh, murdhanya sh. Okay, so then it will be easier. Okay. Am I not audible, Didi? Hello? Okay, thank you. Jnanadhyanau vishishyate. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Vishishyate. So that sh should be, both sh should be heard separately. Okay. ज्ञानाध्यानौ विशिष्यते. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट चरण. ध्यानात् कर्म फल त्यागस्. ध्यानात् ध्याना long and then partial ta, half ta. So ध्यानात् कर्म फल त्यागस्. कर्म फल त्यागस्. Tyagas. Okay. Tya we have to prolong, and after ga there is visarga. The sound for visarga is partial sa. So it is tyagas. Okay. Next charan. Tyagachantiranantaram. Tyagachantir. Tyagachantir. Tya, ga, cha. We have to prolong. And then ti. Chantiranantaram. Chantiranantaram. Okay. Chalo. Next look we'll see. Adveshta sarvabhutanam. Maitrah karuna evacha. Nirmamo nirahankaras. Samadukha sukha shami. Adveshta. Adveshta. See, aghat. Give aghat on letter a. And then dve we have to prolong. Shta we have to prolong. So, adveshta sarva bhutanam. Adveshta sarva bhutanam. ठीक है. Bhuta, all letters we have to prolong. Okay. Then maitra, mai long. Then tra has got visarga sound. Visarga, the sound of which is partial kha. So partial kha we never pronounce. For that we just have to exhale so that it will be heard like kha. Okay. So it is maitra karuna evacha. Maitra karuna evacha. ठीक है. Karuna, karuna, complete pronunciation. And then a we have to prolong so that vacha will be with the complete pronunciation. Okay, so it is Maitra Karuna Evacha Nirmamo Nirahankaras Nirmamo Nirahankaras Nirahang. Okay, it is not nir, it is nira, ra complete. Okay, Nirmamo Nirahankaras Samadukha Sukha Shami. Over here, Sama with a complete pronunciation, Dukha as we normally recite, and then after Sukha, that Kha also there is Visarga given, right? Then when there is small grammar rule that when the Visarga is followed by Ksha, letter Ksha, Kshatriya wala Ksha, Kshama Ksha, right? Then the Visarga sound should be her. So that her sound we are not going to recite. It should come with the exhalation. So it is sukha shami, sukha shami. Okay? So it is samadukha sukha shami. Okay? So next sloka is that Santushta satatai yogi yatatma dridha nishchayaha मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिर् यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः सन्तुष्टः Santushtasti. Aghat is given on sa, aghat on tu also. So, Santushtas satatai yogi. It is not satat, it is satata. Satata. And then the anunasik is used as ya. Okay, so it is satatai, satatai, yogi. Both the letters we have to prolong. Santushtas satatai yogi. Yatatma dridha nishchayaha. Yatatma. Both the letters prolong. Dridha, dridha nishchayaha. How do we say Krishna? The same way we have to say Dridha. Kr, dr, kr, dr. It should not be kru. If we say kru, then ra will come over there, right? It is not ra. It is rishi wala ru. Partial the, and at the bottom, the half curve you can see, that half curve is always for rishi. Rishi wala ru. Ru. Okay? So it is dr, dr. It is not dri. It is dr. Yes, in English it has to be written like that only, but then it is not dri also, it is not dru also. It is in between. So we don't have to open our mouth for that. It is dr, dr. Okay? Dru if we say that will be wrong. Dri if you say that will be also wrong. It is dr. But yes, in English actually exact pronunciation is not there. If you write you, it will become dru. If you write I, it will become dri, right? So it is actually in between that pronunciation. So you don't open your mouth and recite. So it will come. With practice, it will come. Okay, it is dridha, dridha nishchayaha, dridha nishchayaha. ठीक है? मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिर् मय्यर्पित the complete मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिर् मय्यर्पित. Yet partial e and you can combine. Yes, dr. Okay, it is in between actually. There is no exact pronunciation in English. Okay, मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिर्. बुद्धिर्, the visarga sound is partial ra. Buddhir yo madbhaktas. Now see over here, yo we have to prolong, aghat on ma for partial the. Mad bhaktas. Okay, yo madbhaktas same priyaha. Over here, partial sa is there, and halanta sa is there, and complete sa. So both the sa should be also heard with different sounds. Okay, so how will we say? Yo madbhaktas same. Yo madbhaktas Same Priyaha. Now over here also, may we have to prolong and then we have to recite the next word Priyaha. It should not be Samep Priyaha. That will be wrong pronunciation. It should be Same Priyaha. Same Priyaha. Yo Mad Bhakta Same Priyaha. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट लो. यस्मान्नो द्विजते लोको लोकान्नो द्विजते च यः हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैर्मुक्तो यः स च मे प्रियः. यस्मान्नो yasmanno, both the na short, right? Sma we have to prolong so that partial na will come towards the end of sma pronunciation. So yasmanno dvijate loko lokanno dvijate chayah lokanno dvijate chayah हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैर् हर्षामर्ष, try to recite that murdhanya sh, okay? हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैर् भयोद्वेगैर् यो द्वेगै, right? All three letters are with a long pronunciation, so prolong them. हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैर्, gair long and then the visarga sound partial r. Okay, it should not be gair. It should be gair, gair. ठीक है. Next is mukto yes sacha me priyaha. Mukto yes sacha. Mukto yes sacha me priyaha. So partial R is what? Yes. Harsha. That partial R will come with her. Harsha. Right? Then Marsha. Okay? Partial R. Correct. Mukto yes. Sacha me priyaha. Gair partial R. Yes. For gair also partial R. See? R has got slanting line at the bottom. So wherever the letter has got slanting line at the bottom, that letter is always partial, half pronounced letter. Okay. So it is gair, gair. Okay. Correct. Mukto yes. Sacha me priyaha. It should not be me priyaha. Again I am repeating this. Me priyaha. Okay. Chalo. Next slow. अनपेक्षशुचिर्दक्ष उदासीनो गतव्यथः सर्वारम्भ परित्यागी यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः. अनपेक्ष पे we have to prolong, then ksha, kshatriya ksha, then visarga sound, partial sh, talavya sh, shabri wala sh. Okay, so it is anapekshash, kshash. Okay, anapekshash shuchir daksha, shuchir daksha. Again, partial ra will come with chi. Shuchir daksha, udasino. All three letters are dasino with long pronunciation. Udasino gatavyatha. Gatavyatha. So will have partial aghat for partial v. Okay, so tau it will be. Gatavyatha. Gatavyatha. Both the pronunciations are correct. Then sarvarambha parityagi. Sarva, long pronunciation. Rambha. Ra will have aghat for partial ma. Ram and then bha complete. Parityagi. Ri will have aghat for partial ta. Rityagi. Long pronunciation. Okay. Sorry. Sarvarambha parityagi. Yo madhak tassa me priyaha. In shlok number 14, the same charan we have learned. Okay. Yo mad bhaktassa me priyaha. Okay. Chalo, next shlok. यो न हृष्यति न द्वेष्टि न शोचति न काङ्क्षति शुभाशुभ परित्यागी भक्तिमान्यः स मे प्रियः यो न हृष्यति. Now over here yo we have to prolong na with complete pronunciation, so immediately connect it with r as we recite in hriday. Okay. In hriday, how do we say? The same pronunciation we have to take here. Rishyati. Rishyati. Right? So, ru will have aghat for partial sh. And then, shya we have to pronounce. Half sh with complete ya as one sound. Shya. Shya. Rishyati. Rishyati. Okay. Yo na rishyati na dveshti. Na dveshti. Na has got aghat for partial the. So, yo na rushyati na dveshti, na shochati na kankshati. Now, over here, there should not be any gap between ti and na, as well as na and ka. So, show we have to prolong so that we can connect all the next letters. Okay, so how will we say? Na shochati na kankshati. न शोचति न काङ्क्षति काङ्क्षति. Okay. शुभाशुभ परित्यागी शुभाशुभ शुभाशुभ शु short ha long shu short bha short. Okay, so it is शुभाशुभ शुभाशुभ परित्यागी परित्यागी. Re give aghat on re, just little stress on letter re for partial ta. Rityagi. Okay. शुभाशुभ परित्यागी भक्तिमान्यस भक्तिमान्यस. Now bhakti we know, right? Ma we have to prolong, so the aghat is going to be softer. So manyasa me priyaha भक्तिमान्यस्य मे प्रियः. ठीक है. चलो नेक्स्ट श्लोक लेंगे. समशत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमानयोः शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखेषु समसंगविवर्जितः. Samash. Now the visarga sound is partial sh because following letter is sh. So how will we say? Samashatrau. Au sound. It should not be tra. It should be au. Shatrau. Shatrau. Okay. Samashatrau cha mitre cha. Samashatrau cha mitre cha. Tatha manapamanayo. Oh, see the letters pa and na. In between letters, they are with the complete pronunciation. So we have to prolong the previous letters. Ma, na, ma and yo and tha. These letters we have to prolong. Tatha, ma, na, pa, ma, na, yo. Tatha, ma, na, pa, ma, na, yo. Shitoshna. It is not Shitoshna. It is Shitoshna Sukha Dukheshu. Dukheshu. K we have to prolong. Shu with a short pronunciation. Okay. Shitoshna Sukha Dukheshu. Samasanga Vivarjitaha. Samasanga, samasanga vivarjitaha. Sanga, that ga, nasal sound should come and then complete ga. Ganpati wala ga. Okay, so संग विवर्जितः, संग vivarjitah. V will have partial r sound because G has got rafar, right? So samasanga vivarjitah. ठीक है, चल नेक्स्ट लो. तुल्य निंदास्तुतिर्मौनी संतुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिर् भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः. तुल्य, see there are four parts. तुल्य, निंदा, स्तुतिर, स्तुतिर, मौनी. Okay, तुल्य निंदा स्तुतिर मौनी, तुल्य निंदा स्तुतिर मौनी. मौनी नहीं, मौनी. ठीक है, both the letters we have to prolong. मौनी. संतुष्टो येन केनचित्, संतुष्टो, संतुष्टो, right? Give aghat on sa for partial na, san. Give aghat on tu for partial sh, tush, and then to, long. संतुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिर्, अनिकेतस्थिरमतिर् भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः. भक्तिमान् मे, मान मे प्रियो नरः. Should not be man me priyo. That will be wrong pronunciation. May we have to prolong and then priyo we can recite. Bhaktiman me priyo naraha. ठीक है, let's see the last श्लोक of this chapter. ये तु धर्म्यामृतमिदं यथोक्तं पर्युपासते श्रद्दधाना मत्परमां भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः. ये tu dharmya, tu we have to keep short with a short pronunciation, so connect it with the. Okay, ye tu dharmya, ye tu dharmyamritamidai, ye tu dharmyamritamidai yathoktam paryupasate, यथोक्तम, यथोक्तम पर्युपासते श्रद्दधाना, श्रद्दधाना. Now see, shra is followed by two the, right? Half the and complete the, right? So that half the we can take with shra, so it becomes shrad. Okay, and then next the we can recite separately. Okay, so it is श्रद्दधाना, श्रद्दधाना मत्परमां, श्रद्दधाना मत्परमां भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः. Now see over in third charan, dha, na, ma. These are three. These three are long pronounced letters. In fourth priyaha, priyaha. Okay, let's see the Pushpika now. Yes. Om Tatsaditti Shrimad Bhagavad Gita Upanishadsu Brahma Vidyayai Yoga Shastre Shri Krishnarjuna Samvade Bhakti Yogo Namadvadashodhyayaha. Now see how we have to recite this. First two words we have to take together. So, Om Tat Saditi Shrimad Bhagavad Gita Su. Take a pause here. Then Upanishad Subrahma Vidyayai. Now that Upanishad Subrahma Vidyayai. Take a pause here. Okay. Then Yoga Shastre. This one word. Then next one word. Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Bhakti Yogo Namad Ma is followed by joint letter, so that partial the will come on ma as an akhat. So it is mad. Okay, there. Namad Dvadashodhyayaha. Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. By reciting this particular word, Shri Krishnarpanamastu. That tu has to be taken quickly. Okay. Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Haraye Namaha. Haraye Namaha. Haraye Namaha. Jai Shri Krishna to all of you. Yes, we will be clearing your doubts, but before that, we just want to clear few things. See, now your 12th adhyay is about to get over. Right? After that, you are going to submit the video. Right? So before submitting the video, it is recommended that you have to practice this particular chapter at least for 15 to 20 times, so that you will be perfect in your pronunciations. At the same time, you are going to listen to Suvarna Kakiji's audios. Nowadays, we have got Vijaya Didi's audios also. So whichever audios are shared in your group, those audios you are going to listen carefully. Also, the Anupathan videos you are going to listen carefully, and with Anupathan videos you are also going to recite, so that your tongue will be ready for those shlokas, right? So once you practice the entire chapter at least for 15 to 20 times, then you are ready for the video, right? While making the videos, most of the times entire chapter will not fit in one video. So what you can do is you can make two videos, 10 shlokas in one video and remaining 10 shlokas in another video, right? And if you cannot do that, then also it is not fitting, or you cannot send that particular video. What can be done is you can compress the video and you can make a link, and then that link you can send. Now regarding this, how to make a link and how to shrink that or how to compress the video, regarding that, one video will be sent on the group. Okay, that your TA Didi or Bhaiya will send that video on your group, how to compress the video, and accordingly you are going to record your video. Okay, so and while reciting or while making the video, you are allowed to look into the PDF and you can read, right? So it is not that you have to by heart and you have to present. No, there is no need of learning or by hearting the entire chapter. You can refer your PDF and then you can recite. Okay. Now, if there are some small children in the group, and if they need some support, prompting or anything, it is not at all allowed. In that case, the child has to recite, or the child has to by heart the chapter, and then the child can send the video. Okay. So apart from this, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Regarding the pronunciation also, if you have any doubt, you can ask. But practice is must. Before sending the video, practice is must. Okay. Sure. Yes. Yes, Didi, you can take it out.
Jai Shri Krishna, Didi. This is Rajat. Didi, just
Yes.
a couple of questions I had. One was you just mentioned about some Anupatan videos. Would those be shared also? Because I don't think I've seen those videos in the WhatsApp group.
Once the chapter gets over, you will get those videos.
Okay.
Anupatan videos. you will get.
Okay. Thank you. And the second question I had was, while we are reciting this, the Anuswar and Anuswar and Anunasik, they take different forms. Like somewhere it's
Yes.
pronounced as
Yes.
na, somewhere it's pronounced as ma, somewhere it's va. Is there
Yes.
any science behind it, or it's
Yes,
because
there is grammar. There are grammar rules behind that, right?
Mhm.
So maybe you you are not explained those, right? Those
not yet.
rules are not explained. Okay,
I mean,
so
a
don't
PDF has
worry.
been shared. A PDF has been shared,
Huh.
but obviously it did not make a lot of sense to me. Is there a class specifically for grammar
Yes,
also?
yes, there are actually grammar class for that. That maybe this Sunday, I think it is there. So in
Oh,
the morning session, the grammar class is there, and that class you can attend. You will come to know what is it, and maybe if your trainer Didi or Bhaiya get time, they also explain maybe. And second thing is, as it is, you are going to look into the PDF and you are going to recite, then there is no question of getting it wrong, isn't it?
no, there is
So,
like when we say Samsar Sagarat. Now,
हाँ
even in
हाँ
English, not in Hindi, sound is not there.
वो नहीं दिया है हाँ वो
हाँ,
is not
तो
mentioned, but then that is why I have told you while explaining, you just mark over there, so that you will not. And even if you listen to the audios,
yeah,
whichever are shared to you, you can just listen to them. You will come to know the exact pronunciation over there
I
also.
mean, obviously, it's just the first chapter that we are doing. So
Yes, yes.
20 श्लोक तो समझ आ
So
जाता है. But
maybe
if it's like
in the
540 श्लोks,
the Anunasics may be explained in the second chapter, maybe like 15th chapter you'll be doing. Maybe
okay.
that time Didi will. Because what happens initially, only if we bombard with the so many grammar rules, you will get like बापरे क्या सीख रहे हैं हम लोग, like so. So actually, basically,
Didi,
it is not a grammar class.
grammar class is there on this Sunday
Yes.
most probably,
हाँ,
and
this Sunday, na?
already Anupathan video has been shared in form of YouTube in each class on the first day
Okay.
itself. It was
Is it
already
shared?
shared.
हाँ.
Yes,
Okay.
Didi, Anupathan video.
Share again if it is not shared in your group. Okay, don't worry about it.
Thank you. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
My doubt is, do we have to make video? Can we make audio also?
No, there is no need to make audio. Directly, you have to send your video only. There is
Only
no
video,
need to
no
make
audio.
audio. No audio, only videos.
Okay.
Yes. Next, कौन है दीदी? ज्योति दीदी?
Preeti Didi, I have already unmuted you. You can speak
Okay.
Ma'am, could you please repeat the short pronunciation vowels that you had mentioned and the long ones also?
Short ones are a,
Yes.
e, u,
Okay.
and ru. Remaining
Okay.
all are long.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Huh? Except and aha. Except and aha. Till au. Till o.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Srinivas ji, you are unmuted.
Yeah. See, after making the video, how do you have to
Mm-hmm.
send it to the Gita Parivar? Is it by WhatsApp or is it by some email?
Yes, but
Email.
no, WhatsApp only. WhatsApp only, bhaiya. On your group only.
Hello?
On your group only, you have to send those videos.
Okay. So
Yes.
it's all my videos others also can see, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay, fine.
yes. Lakshmi Didi.
Dr. Anuradha ji.
Okay.
Jai Shri Krishna, Didi.
Jai Shri
Yeah,
Krishna
this is
Didi.
regarding grammar. You have already answered, but I'm always confused when to use ma, na, and va when there is a dot below the m. For example, a dot below the m.
There are certain grammar rules, Didi. You will come to know gradually. We don't tell these rules initially because our concentration is on the shlokas and not on the grammar, right? So grammar rules you will be explained gradually in your classes only, right? And also if you want to know more about it, then there are grammar classes, there is grammar session rather, uh, uh, on coming Monday
नहीं,
morning
Sunday.
9 o'clock will be. When is
Sunday.
it, Didi? On Sunday, na?
Yeah, Didi. Yet the
Yeah.
message is not shared, but most
So
probably on Sunday.
yes, the regarding that the message will be shared in your groups, Didi. So, as and when these grammar sessions are there, you please do attend these grammar sessions. But the grammar which is related to the shlokas, that simple grammar will be explained by your core trainer only, but they will be explaining it gradually, right?
Okay, okay,
So
Didi.
right
Thank you.
now, whatever is given, the Anunasik is given, right? Just recite those Anunasiks. Gradually, you will come to know why those Anunasiks are there.
Okay.
Okay, so
Thank
don't
you,
hurry up.
Didi. Thank you.
Yes, Siri. Next one.
Lakshmi Didi.
This Shloka number 7 and 8, I have small doubt in this pronunciation. This Tesha Maham Samudhatta Mrityu Samsara, it is yam, no? Then you told that
No,
it
no.
should not
It
be
is
pronounced. That's what.
No, it should not be pronounced as sansar. It is sansar. A sound. Sound.
Sound,
Sansar.
Samsara.
Yes.
Samsara.
Make a pause.
Similarly, Shloka number 8.
Sanshayaha.
Samshaya is there. There also it should be
Sound.
pronounced as
Again, sanshayaha. Sanshayaha. Right.
Okay, right. Thank you,
Yes.
Didi.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, Jyoti.
Usha Didi. Didi, Jyoti Didi is
Are,
not raising.
okay,
Usha
Usha
Didi.
Didi. Yes.
Jai Shri Krishna Didi.
Jai Shri Krishna Didi.
Is it mandate for a video only? I'm asking, you can just record and send the
No,
only the shloka.
no. Audios are not allowed, only videos.
No, because it is difficult when you are, I mean, I find it difficult to record with the video on.
Why?
I don't know, I feel
You
little, I
practice.
think, no, I am listening to the audios that has been sent every day, and I'm practicing before 8 o'clock is my session in the morning. I practice
Okay.
from 7:30 to 8 every day. I practice 3-4 slokas
Okay.
every day. I practice again in the
Okay.
evening also. I practice. I'm trying to by heart also because then I think I'll be able to recite it better. Is my feeling, but I don't think I can by heart before 25th because this I was thinking of doing this weekend, but this weekend I've got a family function to attend, so I have to go for that. It's a family function.
So if you are practicing so much, then I don't think, Didi, you will have any problem in making a video.
No, practicing. I just
You will not
started
have
3-4 days back. 3-4 days back only I've started. Now the prayer, that Vasudam, Vasudeva Sutam, that prayer is by heart for me now. The 2 lines.
Okay.
Now slowly, the first charan, second shloka, I am trying. But I was wondering, it is really mandate to have a video only.
Yes.
Means, I was thinking, but why you are asking for video? If I may ask that,
Video
please.
is compulsory, so to know that it is recited by you only.
Oh, okay, got it. Okay. All right.
The same person is reciting.
Okay.
Yes.
I don't think learning Gita anybody will cheat. Gita itself in Lord Krishna resides there. So I don't think anybody will think of
We
cheating.
never know, Didi. We never know.
Didi,
That is
Didi,
true.
many time your voice is not clear, so your lip movement the trainer can read, and that's the reason the video is required to
Oh, okay.
understand your lip movement if
Okay.
the volume is not clear.
Okay. Now,
That's the
as I'm
reason.
following the script, I mean, is it wrong to do so? Is my question. I am following the script. I can read Sanskrit also like 60%. Because I've learned Marathi in school and Marathi and Sanskrit are a little close.
Yes.
So I can
Yes.
read Sanskrit. Plus, every day I recite Vishnu Sahasranama, which is in Sanskrit. So my question is, can I follow half Sanskrit and half English for reciting it? Because sometimes I feel the English is correct and sometimes I feel the Sanskrit is correct. For my convenience, I'm asking. Or will it?
So, see, as far as shlokas are concerned, they are in Sanskrit only. So, whichever script you use, that is up to you.
Okay.
As it is, the pronunciation is going to remain same, no?
Okay.
Whether you follow script, English script or Marathi script or Hindi script, the Sanskrit pronunciation is going to remain the same.
Correct.
You recite Maya from English or Hindi or Marathi, Maya is going to remain same, no?
Same,
Word pronunciation is going to remain the same. So it is up to you which script you want to follow.
Okay, fine. All right.
For anything. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Didi. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.
So much. Jai Shri Krishna. Yes, Dharmesh.
Yeah, Jai Shri Krishna, ma'am.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Ma'am, can I ask 4 doubts? I have
Yes,
4
yes, of
doubts.
course.
Small.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Yeah, I mean this chapter only, Shloka number 12. In that, Shreyo hi jnanam abhyasaj.
Correct.
Right? So, but in our session, it was told that Shreyo hi jnanam abhyasaj.
That is what, while explaining that particular shloka, I have told that there are different pronunciations for Jna. So, in Maharashtra, they say Jna, right? In
got it.
so Jna, Gya, Jna, the pronunciations are different. So, what pronunciation you take for Jna, accordingly the Aghat sound will be. So, if you say Hidjnana, if you say Jnana, the Aghat will be for the. If you say Gya, Aghat will be for Ga. Hijnana. Hijnana. Right? So that is what the difference is. Right?
Yeah. In Shloka 14, Santushtah Satattan Yogi, right? Now, when we pronounce, we say Satattan Yogi, but when I heard the video of Suvarna Kakiji in YouTube, then it is pronounced that Santushtah Satattam Yogi. There is no stress on ma, but Satattam that is recited.
Right. So now, when Suvarna Kaki has recorded that time this rule was not like mentioned actually. So it was long back she has recorded that, right? And that is when these rules they have come in these within this 1 year or so. So that is why that difference you may find in the audio. Right? But you are going to follow ya only. But you are going to follow ya only. Whatever is given in the PDF because it is the latest version. Right? Yes.
Yeah. So my third doubt is also solved when you said this. Now last doubt, ma'am. In Suvarna Kakiji's video, it is Krishna Arjuna Samvade. I'm talking about the Puspika, the last one, ending part.
Yes.
Om Tat Saditi, then Krishna Arjuna Samvade. But in our session, a morning session, and today also say Krishna Arjuna Samvade. So Krishna or Krishna, what is the correct pronunciation?
See, the Marathi people, they say Krishna, right? Gujarati, Hindi people, they say Krishna. Kri they use, right? So actually, the Sanskrit pronunciation is in between. So the region-wise, the difference you will find. Krishna, right? But actual pronunciation is Krishna. It is in between, right? So you need a little practice for that. You will get it. Yes?
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.
Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, ma'am.
Yes, Gita.
Ma'am, I have a question. I have two questions, both in Pushpika only. So here we are saying Vidya Yan Nyan. So I want to know how I should be spelling it in English. I can't read Sanskrit or Hindi. So I want to know how can I spell it in English so I don't miss the pronunciation. It's V-I.
Brahma Vidya, that word.
The last part, ma'am, Vidya Yan. That ya. That after that Vidya. After that, I want to know how to spell that in English.
It is yarn.
Y-A-A.
With yes, yarn. Yarn.
There is an N also, no, ma'am. So I'm really struggling with that word because today only they taught us, and I'm not able to write it in English.
No, actually, what happens is in English script, all the Anunasics are mentioned as N only, right? Whereas Devanagari, we have got different sounds for that. We have ga, ya, ma, na, right? So that is the difference between those scripts, right? So over here you can write Y-A-N, yai, yai.
Just Y-A-A-N. That's it, ma'am.
Yes. Brahma Vidya Yai. Yai.
Okay. Okay, I've written it as N-Y-A-N. Okay, ma'am, I'll listen to the recording. The next one is Shri Krishnarjuna Samvade. I have written it as S-A-U-M. Is that the correct sound to recite in English?
It is not it is not it should be wa. Samvade. Wa. That Anuswar sound should be Anunasik wa. Samvade.
Samvade. So okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Welcome.
Nehal Didi, accept the request. I sent you the request. Nehal Didi. Yes कर दीजिए. Yes करिए दीदी. Yes it. Yeah. Namaste दीदी. Jai Shri Krishna. अच्छा. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. I am little confused while pronouncing that. Is it Srimad Bhagavad Gita or Srimad Bhagavad Gita?
Srimad, the half the Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
So at both the places it is half the Srimad Bhagavad or Bhagavat.
Yes. No, it is the. It is given in the script. No, the half the is given.
Okay. No, because maybe. Yeah. No, maybe my bad because in my class I maybe by mistaken I was doing Bhagavat. Srimad Bhagavat Gita.
Half the. It is half the.
It is half the. At both the places, it is half the, right? Okay.
Yes,
Thank you so much, Didi. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. Yes, Jyoti Didi, please unmute yourself. Sneha Didi.
Sri Vasanji.
Yes, Sriman.
On your video, Bhaiya.
Yeah, I wanted to tell you about that Mrinal, Malpani Didi's video, which was Anupatan
Suvarna Didi.
In fact, I had circulated it in the WhatsApp group today afternoon. So I want to inform that only. That is the only thing.
Okay.
Thank you.
Jyoti Didi. Jyoti Didi, I sent you the request. Accept to unmute.
Jyoti Didi is not able to unmute also, and she is not able to
maybe having
on the video also. It's okay. Bhaiya, please unmute yourself. Raghavendra Bhaiya also, you yourself keep your videos on. Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
This is Dinesh. Can
Yes.
I just, Didi, I wanted you to tell me about Shloka number 13, the fourth charan. Sama Dukha Sukha. That part.
Correct.
Sukha.
Correct.
Sukha.
Samadukha Sukha Shami Sukha Shami.
So kha and a ha. Sukha
That
Shami.
ha we are not supposed to pronounce. Actually, it should come with the exhalation. Sukha.
Sama Dukha Sukha Shami. Sukha Shami.
Correct. Shami we have to pronounce. We pronounce. Yes.
Sama Dukha Sukha Shami.
Correct.
Dhanyavad, Didi. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. This in the video we have to name our name and what is that PRN?
Yes. You are going to write your name as well as your PRN.
What is that PRN?
PRN is a personal registration number. When you enroll yourself for L1, you must have got that PRN, right? But if you have forgotten that PRN or if you are not finding it PRN, there is one link. Didi, can we share that link over here?
Didi, I cannot share here, but in your group, ask your TA. Once you mention in your group that what is my PRN, your TA will help you out.
Okay,
for
ma'am.
that.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. But don't forget to mention your name and PRN. Otherwise, your trainer Didi will not come to know whose video is it, and she won't be able to mark you, right? So, right? Done? All the doubts are done?
Yes, Didi. No hand raise and maybe Jyoti Didi is having.
Jyoti Didi has got some problem, I think. But okay. Okay. So, all the best to all of you. Yes. See, learngita.com/PRN. Okay, that you can. Thank you so much. So, all the best for you. Yes. All the best for you for making the.
Sarvesh Bhaiya is having hand raise.
Okay.
Yeah, on your video.
Yes, Sarvesh Bhaiya.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Only one thing I want to ask. In the last ending part, Pushpika, in Suvarna Kakichi's video, there are 7 parts of that Pushpika. Om Tat Saditi. Then little pauses.
See, there are different ways of reciting, right? So you can combine 2 words together, or you can recite them separately. It doesn't make any difference.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Only your pronunciation should be perfect. That's it. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, Krishna.
Yes, Krishna. Okay, so all the best to all of you. Please, it's a sincere request to all of you that please practice well and then only send the right. And then don't forget to mention your name and PRN with your video, right? If you have any doubt regarding making these videos, like we have discussed so much over here, but then still, if you have any doubt regarding making these videos, please take help of your TA, Didi or Bhaiya, whoever it is, and your core trainer also, right? So please don't hesitate to ask them, right? They are there to help you out, right? Thank you so much. Please be there for some time. We are going to play the Hanuman Chalisa. Let's listen to it and then we will conclude. Okay. Didi, should I take the prayer first?
Ji Didi.
Okay, chalo, we'll take the concluding prayer first and then we'll listen to Hanuman Chalisa. Yogesham Satchidanandam Vasudevam Vrajapriyam Dharma Samsthapakam Veeram Krishnau Vande Jagadgurum Krishnau Vande Jagadgurum. Jai Shri Krishna to all of you. Yes.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मनु मुकुरु सुधारी बरनउ रघुबर विमल जसु जो दायक फलचारी बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरौ पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेस विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपी सति लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन बरन विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे कांधे मूज जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाय सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुबीर हरषि उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि सम भाई सहस बदन तुम रोजस गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिसा जम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाते कवि कोविद कहि सकै कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर है सब जग जाना जुग सहस्र जो जन पर भानु लील्योताहि मधुर फल जानू प्रभु मुद्रिका मेलि मुख माही जलधि लांघि गए अचरज नाही दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हरे तेते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे सब सुख लहै तुम्हारी सरना तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना आपन तेज संहारो आपे तीनों लोक हांकते कांपे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे नासै रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे अष्ट सिद्धि नौ निधि के दाता असवर दीन जानकी माता राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे अंत काल रघुबर पुर जाई जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई और देवता चित्तन धरई हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई छूट ही बंदी महासुख होई जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा की जय नाथ हृदय महडेरा पवन तनय संकट हरना मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसहु सुर भूप सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय।
Jai Shri Krishna, Didi. Jai Shri Krishna to all of you. And first of all, I would like to congratulate you so that you are going to complete chapter 12 and all the best for making your video. Thank you so much.